Hi everyone, as you can see the weather in Los Angeles is shocking. So if you watched my other video, I've been doing 2 videos while I'm out here, you'll know that I'm in LA with my wife and Georgia, my partner in crime, holding the camera there, and Kate, who is Tar's partner in crime, kind of on like a work retreat, and I'm ahead of schedule. I had loads of writing to do and I finished it all. So to celebrate, because I haven't had a day off for ages, so I'm celebrating in Vegas. I've never been to Vegas before. I don't know what's in store. I'm told that you can kind of do it in like a day. So I'm driving in, having a day there, having an evening there, having a morning there, and then driving back. And because I've been soaking wet in LA the whole time I've been here so far, I'm quite looking forward to it. So let the road trip commence. So we are about 2 hours into the journey now, and we have been quite delayed because there's been actually a few accidents we've seen and the weather was atrocious. Out there still looking pretty shocking. But if you look out this side, it's bloody delightful when we're driving through the desert. And I don't know, I'm feeling quite cool now. It's kind of, you don't often see like a big open sky. It's very rare, you know, that you can just sort of see from horizon right the way across. So yeah, I like it so far. Nice drive.
And we got snacks.
And we got snacks. We got peanut M&Ms because classic, but you don't get these in the UK, I don't think. Caramel M&Ms. Interested. Vegas, baby. We're here. We are staying at the Bellagio. We kind of booked it late last night. Got a good deal on a room and thought, you know what? When in Rome or when in Vegas. I've just been there and I missed the car park because I wasn't sure how it all worked. And now I've got to come out and drive like 3 miles around it again to get back into the car park area. But it is bonkers here. Everything is huge. There's the Eiffel Tower just there. Oh, we're driving. Everywhere's huge and kind of like over the top, and I bloody love it. Well, we made it to the car park. I've got no idea what happens now, like how we check in. This is one of those hotels that is like gargantuan, so I feel like checking and finding our room might take a while. So we want to be quick, because we are staying at the Bellagio. We recently stayed there. One, we had a really good deal, but two, it's the one with the fountains, which you've probably seen on like all the TV stuff. And I think it goes off every like half an hour or so. And it's now 4:45, so I want to kind of get in, check in, get back on the streets, watch the fountains, and then go. Yeah, I'm not going to do any gambling because I don't understand how gambling works. I just want to be here and kind of experience it. That's why I'm only doing one night, because I just want to, you know, hit the streets and see what's happening. Let's try to check in. This looks promising. It might take longer than I expected because look, you walk into the hotel and there's a bloody dragon. What? Oh my god. So it's the year of the pig, obviously, Chinese New Year, and there's a giant pig over there, like huge. Yeah, Chinese New Year, isn't it? Yeah, year of the pig. Oh, there's another pig there, a golden one. So I lost Georgia already. This place is so big that the elevator doesn't even take you to all the floors. So she's on floor 17, I think, and I'm on floor 22. And we got to lifts and just went, okay, bye then. Because it's just the two of us here. We're a bit like, okay. And we were kind of thinking there's strength in numbers. And now we're separated and Vegas has her, so I'll never see her again. Anyway, here's my room. Bathroom is very nice. Mirror here. Here's the room, lovely jubbly. Great, but the view, guys, oh my god, the view's incredible. I haven't seen the fountain yet from up here, because I think the show starts in maybe half an hour or something. But as I drove through down here to park the car, I could see them and they look incredible. So from up here, with the Eiffel Tower in the background and Planet Hollywood over there, and I don't know wherever that is over there, it's gonna be insane, isn't it? There it is. So this has just begun. We've been told to go to channel 22 on the TV here because then you get music that goes along with it. Ooh, that's new. The bloody rain's followed us from LA. It's not so bad. Like on the journey in, you know, I filmed a little bit going, oh look how blue the sky is. Immediately after that, it was like torrential for about 100 miles. So yeah, it's made its way back to us, but that's okay because it's not so bad. And I think we're going to be kind of going in and out a bit. Now, both me and Georgia have never been to Vegas before, so I did an Instagram story earlier asking for suggestions, and we've had loads. So we've made a list, and we're just going to sort of compile things. Our plan is to literally walk the strip and when we see something we recognise from the list, we'll go in and do that thing or whatever. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have to say. We also, now we're outside the water fountain again. There's another show in like 5 minutes, and I'd like to see it from ground level because I think from up high it looks amazing, but you probably couldn't see how high they went, and I could hear the water splashing in again, so I know it goes high because it was loud enough for me to hear 22 floors up, 26 floors up. Woohoo! God, they go high. I love it. Oh wow. Oh. Next stop, Caesar's Palace. At Caesar's Palace is a lot of casino area. I haven't found anything else to film yet, so I'm filming the pizza that we are having to line our stomachs because we're about to start drinking. So we are playing a game, kind of a drinking game. I guess it is a drinking game. Every time we get a drink, one of us, and we take it in turns, gets to choose the drink that we're having, so we both have the same thing, because me and George have quite different tastes in drinks. So the first round was a whiskey sour. Now we're not going to get like super drunk because I'm driving home in the morning and I've got a long journey back and I don't want to do that with a hangover, but we are kind of experimenting a little bit. So the first round was a whiskey sour, which you quite liked.
It was nice,
right?
Yeah. I surprised myself.
It also wasn't a very good one, if I'm honest. But I don't. What are you going to get next? Do you know? Have you thought about it?
No.
Georgia has mentioned that she wants to try a dirty martini, but she's a bit of a lightweight, so I'm
No.
I'm not going to order that on my go.
I'm smaller than you.
Okay, sure. Which way are we going? We're going that way. Who are you trying to kid, Fountains? You're not the Bellagio ones, you're tiny. Go home. So, Fernie's choice of drink is a, what is it?
19th on Fab.
19th on Fab, which is tequila, oh no, I'm looking for wrong, tequila, passion fruit, fresh lime, and jalapeno. We don't have the jalapeno, we don't really like spicy drinks. It's pretty good actually, very sweet, but not bad. I just got my camera out to start talking. What are you doing? Itching your ankle. So, as I mentioned, I don't really get gambling, I'm not really into it, I'm here more for the vibe, but there is one game that I'm very, very good at, and that is the game of guess the age. I can only do it with females. Actually, we haven't tried it yet, have we? Guess the age game.
Oh no, I didn't guess anyone.
Right.
Tan called you, so I didn't guess.
Well, that's right. Tan called me, so I couldn't get any guesses in. But for about 6-7 months, I've always had this skill. It's a really weird thing. Female celebrities, you give me a picture of them, a recent picture, and I will guess their age. And I'm about, and I'm not exaggerating, about 95% accurate. I'm really good at it.
It's honestly true.
But I can only answer one a day because then my magic gets used up. So once a day, George will go, "How old is this person?" And honestly, 95% of the time I'm right. So we just did. Who we do? Fern Britain.
Got her up.
Right. Here's an image. Oh right, no, that's the guess I got right. 61.
Yeah.
But the other day we did 2 people. I got the first one right because she used my magic up. Round 2 wasn't so good, but I just feel like I've never shared this with you before, but it's a skill, and every time it blows her mind, she's like, "Oh my god, how did you do it?" I don't know how to do it, I'm just good at it. But we haven't done any guys, because I feel like, I don't know why, I can't age them so well. There you go,
I think now's the time.
that's my talent. In fact, we'll do a guy, and I'll come back to you and tell you if I get it right or not. Look at the ceiling. I thought everyone was looking at their cards, not at the ceiling, but they're missing out. Dirty martini time. I've got a dry martini because I can't do dirty, but Georgia loves olives. Hello.
That is strong, but I like it.
You know, I really wish Tan and Kate were here because it'd be great because Tan would hate that. It would be great. Okay,
I like that.
Justin Bieber she's just given me. I'm calling 25, but I don't think I'm right.
I know the answer because obviously I know he was born on the 1st of March, even on a Tuesday, on like 1990.
Is that actually true? He's 94, that's your age. So he's 24.
He's 24.
Oosh, I'm not great at the guys. Oof. everybody. I'm up bright and early, feeling sprightly. Georgia a little less so. We are currently walking through the streets of Paris, but we're not. We're in Vegas still. This hotel, I forget what this hotel's called actually, but it's kind of set up to be kind of like a Parisian feel. We're walking on cobblestones and the sky's in the ceiling, and it's really cute. We're looking for breakfast because we need to eat urgently, and then we've got some content to get, and then we have started the long journey home. We are at a car park. We wanted to see the Welcome to Las Vegas sign, and we've just pulled in. There's a car park by it now. We've just pulled in, and there are like so many people that I am not going to queue up for my photo taken, but I'll show you it. It's actually, for me, something that's so iconic, very underwhelming. I was expecting it to be bigger and stuff, maybe because I'm not seeing it at night time, it's not lit up. It's cool, it's an icon, but it's not huge. I was expecting it to be a bit bigger. In Vegas, everything is like extra, apart from the sign apparently.
Oh yeah, everything's massive here.
Yeah, everything. Zooming into the sign. So our final stop on the journey was a place called Neon Boneyard, which is basically really cool. It's like all of the old school signs from like years gone by in Vegas. Kind of like a junkyard of them all, and they just look wicked. You can't film in there though, unfortunately, so keep an eye out. We've got some pictures, so keep an eye out on my Instagram, and maybe I'll do a blog post or something. But it was amazing. Now we have a casual 280-mile journey home back to LA, where I am. We're going for dinner tonight with Kate and Tan. And also my friend Dom's in town, and Kate's friend James is in town, so I think the 6 of us are going for dinner tonight. So hopefully traffic is kind to us, because it took a while to get here yesterday. So anyway, that is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Apparently what happens in Vegas doesn't stay in Vegas, because I document it all. Yeah, enjoy whatever you're doing, and I'll see you soon. Bye!